Knitting fabric manufacturing process in textile industry. The process sequence involved in textile knitting process is firstly the yarn is put into the knitting machine creels. After that the yarn is passed through the knitting machine where the yarn is converted into knitted grège fabric and it is wound in the roll form. Then the grège fabric is inspected for any faults or defects. After completing inspection, finally it's sent to the next process. Knitting process flowchart. The below process chart have to maintain during knit fabric manufacturing in textile. Yarn. Down pointing arrow. Knit. Down pointing arrow. Grège fabric. Down pointing arrow. Fabric inspection. Types of knit fabric used in apparel manufacturing. The below fabrics are common in manufacturing knit garments. 100% cotton single jersey fabrics. Burnout single jersey fabrics. Lycra or spandex single jersey fabrics. French terry fabrics, inside brushed. Micro or baby terry fabrics. Lacoste fabrics. Sequence fabrics. 100% cotton double jersey fabrics. Peak slub fabrics. Slub single jersey fabrics. French terry slub fabrics. 2x1 rib fabrics. 1x1 rib fabrics. Gray melange fabrics. Gray melange slub fabrics. Fleece fabrics. French terry fabrics. Design terry fabrics. Peak fabrics.